Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Stacy, and for those of you that are not new, welcome back. Thank you for clicking onto this video. I don't think I've ever done a video for unboxing or unwrapping, if you will, for a Growing Modestly affiliate package. If any of you are familiar with her shop, she did close down for the summer to sort of regroup and revamp her small shop, and I'm so happy to share with you that she is back. And this is a new release that is coming out September 1st. I'm hoping to get this video up and posted so that you can see and be prepared for all the goodies that you can order. So if you want to see what's part of this new release, the things that I picked out for my affiliate package, then stick around. Okay, so as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is my affiliate package, and I'm going to put my code up here on the screen and a link down in the description box of where you can shop. She did move to a new platform for her orders, which I think is going to benefit us all. And I'm excited. I haven't opened this up. This is my first time seeing things, so I may have to pull some things off to the side, but we got to pick out a handful of things that are releasing, so this is not everything, and I'll try to link other affiliates down below so you can go see what they might have gotten that's different than me. But as you can see, here's a list of a couple of the items, and to go ahead and open things up. All right, vellum and scrapbook papers. Let's see. This is a heavy package, I'll tell you that much. And they are very tight. Let's see. So if you are not familiar with her shop, she does provide vellum papers, scrapbook papers, and if you are a crafter like myself, there are tons of ways that you can use these vellums and scrapbook paper in your planners, in your notebooks, you know, B6, A5, like there's a lot of choices in terms of how you can order these vellums. And so you want to take a look at the shop and let her know what you're looking for. I went ahead and ordered a full sheet, so this is 8.5 by 11. This gives me the opportunity to cut things down if I like, punch them for disc bound, for rings, tear them up to add them to a journal or anything like that. And so they're super fun. So this is the vellum, and it's just got this really cute books and cozy fall, like little reading nook icons and things like that. I think this is so pretty. And then you've got your bicycles all dressed up for your fall adventures. You've got a little basket with some pumpkins inside. So pretty. I love this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I've been obsessed with these little bicycles recently. I keep picking up things that have bicycles on them. They're so pretty. And then you've got another vellum sheet with pumpkins. I love the pink pumpkins, the white. Oh my gosh, just so many options. And check this out. Your pumpkin spice coffee drinks, hot chocolates, donuts, pumpkin pie. So cute. Okay, and then we get into the scrapbook paper. These are double-sided, and I love the stripes with all those fall colors. You can use it in any direction. Again, these are 8.5 by 11. You've got a plaid pattern. Again, double-sided, so pretty. Oh, this is fun. That's interesting. I don't know what you call this pattern. I don't know if this is gingham or checkered, probably checkered. Green, and then you get orange. Super fun. And these are always fun to kind of layer if you wanted to add some layers to your planner. That's always super fun to kind of layer these in between your pages just to give it that pop of solid colors or pattern colors behind your vellum sheets. So those are really good options. And all right, so let's go into the sticker kits. And I've got a very heavy pack here to share with you. And I'll try not to take super long because I am on a lunch break. And I want to make sure I can get through everything. All right, so she also has a slightly new logo. I want to say it's the butterflies and flowers that have changed slightly, and you get this cute little thank you sticker. All right, and then I've got a small packet here. Let's open that up. Okay, so we've got some cozy fall blankets. That is so cute how they're hanging from the ladders. That is so cute. This is paper. Then you get some fall leaves. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is a new sheet size for her shop. These are so cute. Autumn tone gingham circles. Again, on paper. They look like little doilies. They're so cute. I was saying this is a new sticker sheet size for her, if I'm not mistaken. Farmhouse fall doorsteps, super cute. Oh my gosh. Pink fall trucks and tractors. That is so cute. I love those. I love the pink. If you know me, you know I love pink. And then you get autumn headers, and they just have like different patterns. This one has like the pumpkins. This is the like the pinkish background with pumpkins and leaves. So cute. Okay, then I get a little freebie. You would likely get the same thing. And then she often has like a journaling card. This is just like cardboard stock, but you could punch this or tape it onto your dashboard. It says stressed, blessed, and pumpkin spice obsessed. Yes, exactly. All right, now we're going to get into the larger sticker sheets. And this first one is Pinktober boho pumpkins. That is so sweet. This is, yeah, in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month in October. And all the proceeds from our sticker sheet will be donated to the National Breast Cancer Awareness Foundation. That is amazing, Emily. Thank you. So this is your reminder. Make sure you go get your mammograms done. It's very important. Okay, and then you've got Autumn Celebration Florals. So these are like washi strips. And again, they're on paper. I want to say most of my selections were probably paper. That's usually my preference so that I can cover up the lines in my planner. And this is the same line, Autumn Celebration Florals, and this one looks like it's almost like a dictionary page, and maybe it's in Latin, I'm not sure. But it's cute. I love that for journaling, and I like the thickness of these strips. You could actually like tear them into smaller pieces if you like. And then you've got the florals for that same collection, and they are huge. Look how big they are. I love that. And then you've got your matching boxes. You've got a triple long vertical. This is probably a double vertical. and some headers, dot stickers, and then your call to actions is what I call them. To do this week, payday, looking ahead, today, priority, work schedule, and me time. So that's cute. All right, now the next collection is called Mothy Moths, and I chose this one because I thought these designs of moths are very cute. They're unique colors. I thought they were very fall related, and as long as they stay out of my house, I'm fine. All right, in the same collection, we've got that gingham sort of planner. Sorry, my video got interrupted there for a minute. I was saying like a striped gingham pattern, stars, and again, thick washi strips, but you can always, like, you know, use a paper cutter, cut them in half, or rip them for that rip effect. And then you've got a big sheet of the moths. Now, mind you, these are a little bit scarier when they're bigger, but they're still pretty nonetheless. That's very interesting. They're quite large, almost lifelike. But they're not alive, so we're good. We're good. All right, and then you've got your matching boxes. I love that the style is a little bit different. You get a couple of icons in there, and the wording is different than the one we saw previously. That's cool. All right, and then we get into some fall quotes, our favorite fall quotes. But I love fall most of all, autumn leaves and pumpkins, please, sweater weather. Thanksgiving Day, I'll have to remember that these are available for monthly planning, first day of autumn. Fall reminds us of how beautiful change can be. And like this one's really cute with the leaf as your A. Very cute. Okay, and then the bigger sheet of the Farmhouse Fall Doorstpes. I love that. I use a big planner, so these are going to fit perfectly. Obviously, you can use any size sticker, any size planner, but when they're big like this, like a big planner or a classic is helpful. And then again, the big sheets for the pink fall trucks and tractors. So cute. And then this one is vintage fall journaling pieces. Now these are fun because they are cut so that you can kind of decorate a journaling page, if you will, as if you've ripped the paper, the scrapbook paper. And so you've got corner pieces, works very nicely in maybe like an A5 or a B6 type journal. I think these are really, really fun. I love this. I love the color palette. Here's your journaling pieces number 2. It just looks very vintage, just like the name says. And I love those blues and oranges and greens. Really pretty. And then you've got number 3. It's got the little bird in there sitting atop the pumpkin. And then number 4. That is so pretty. I really like these. All right, and then I've got another small sticker sheet, Autumn Cozy Cottage. And they're just all your fun little fall icons. I love this little pumpkin pot, the bicycle, little picnic. And then you get it in the bigger version. So Autumn Cozy Cottage is the name of this collection. These are so cute. And then here's your functional sheet, which is different than the other collections because you've got these real pretty decorative full-size boxes, your washi strips, smaller icons. I like these flags. Those are cute. They have like a check dot in the middle of them. Really cute. And then you get the circles in a bigger sheet. Love that. And then the cozy fall blankets. This is so cute. I love how big they are. So I already know I'm gonna need to use some Red Lyric stalls with these, or Wrong DeVoe dolls in these spreads. These are just perfect size. And then you get some fall leaves, and again, very big. They're almost as big as my little my little stand here that I got from Michael's with my initials. So cute. All right, so that is everything that I got from Growing Modestly. You've got a couple of options here for collections. Again, she's going to have more. I did not receive everything that she's releasing. Definitely check out this Pinktober boho pumpkins so that you can contribute to the National Breast Cancer Awareness Foundation. Emily, that is such a kind and helpful gesture to contribute to that. And again, this is a new size for her. If I've got more information on this by the time I post it, I'll put it in the descriptions. But you've got these small sticker sheets and then these larger ones, all releasing on September 1st. So make sure you use my code here to save a little bit of money. And if you liked this video, please hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when I post new videos that include unboxings, plan with me's, and craft items. So thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, friends. Bye.